Hey guys, it's me Mizan, the Chinese looking guy here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do, what do you call that, F snare and PSH snare. Let's get started. Before we get started, let me show you how does it sounds like. Sounds like this. This is for PSH. With beat. And PF is sounds like. So first thing you have to do is just saying push. This for PSH is you just say push, like push, 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 push. Like you need to express the power like push, 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 push. Now remove the voice of yourself. You just and it push, 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 push. And then you just shorten it like push, push, something like that. You add push and push at the same time like like that. Just I don't know how to pronounce how to mouth this position, but it sounds like. Alright, next for the PF you need to do is saying puff or poof. Let's say you just say poof. It's like poof, 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 poof. And then remove the voice. And then strengthen the P. So that is how you do the snare. And if you don't comfortable doing it at the center of your mouth, like I'm not comfortable with center actually, so what you have to do is just shift it at the side, either side, like same with the other snare, like and like the K snare I teach you before, you can like that. It's up to you. And yes, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to drink water.